This gadget is a true wireless 4K transmitter and receiver system. It's designed to send high-quality video and audio from your device to a big screen without a single HDMI cable stretching across the floor. Setting this tool up is actually refreshing. Most wireless tech requires you to download an app, join a specific Wi-Fi network, or go through a long pairing process. This one is true plug and play. It comes pre-configured from the factory. You simply plug the transmitter into your laptop or phone and the receiver into your TV or projector. Within seconds, your screen is up there in 4K resolution. It uses a powerful 5G Wi-Fi core. This is important because it keeps the signal stable. It can transmit through walls and reaches up to 50 meters, which is about 165 feet. Whether you are in a large classroom or a multi-room office, the connection stays rock solid. If you've ever used cheap wireless screen mirrors, you know the lag is the worst part. This system features ultra-low latency. The audio and video stay perfectly in sync. It's built for people who can't afford a glitch during a big presentation. It also handles heat very well. If you're streaming 4K for hours, devices usually get hot and slow down. This gadget uses a specific cooling design with 74 ventilation ports. It stays cool so your video doesn't stutter. One of the coolest features is the 100W PD3 pass-through charging. If you are using the USB-C version on your laptop, it doesn't just take up a port. It can actually charge your computer while you stream. No more worrying about your battery dying in the middle of a movie or a meeting. It also gives you options for how you share. Mirror mode, exactly what's on your laptop shows up on the big screen. Extended mode, you can use the big screen as a second monitor. This lets you read your notes on your laptop while the audience sees the presentation. Privacy control, there's a one-tap button. If you need to enter a password or check a private email, one click stops the stream instantly. This tool is a bit of a universal key. It works with Windows, macOS, Android, and even supports Samsung DeX. If you have a Galaxy phone, it can turn a TV into a full desktop workstation wirelessly. The receiver can actually pair with up to 8 different transmitters. In a big meeting, you don't have to pass a cable around. Different people can just tap their device to take over the screen. It makes collaboration feel effortless. In the box, you get the transmitter, the receiver, and the necessary cables to get started. It's sleek, portable, and fits in a laptop bag easily. If you want to declutter your desk and simplify your presentations, this is the way to do it. If you want to check this out for yourself, I've put the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who hates messy cables. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching.